Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So, right now, I'm going to give you a little tour of the dollhouse as it stands right now. As you can see, the pillows and the comforter are changed to a more seasonable Christmas theme. And if I wanted to, I could reverse it, and there would be teddy bears and drums and candy canes, horns, all of that. But I made completely new pillows, and I haven't even made pillowcases for those yet. I just made the pillows. Coming down here in this room, this is probably going to be the fashion studio and or home office. I'm unsure yet. It may do dual duty. Of course, we have the kitchen, and we're kind of working on it, getting into the theme. There's the bathroom. And we have our little Miss Thing here. She's saying, "Welcome inside." She just hung her wreath and looking into the living room right now. The sofa's moved. We have our chair, the Christmas tree, everything. What do you think? Do you like the tour of the dollhouse so far? Well, I'm actually thinking about doing a little series of high fashion, high drama. I don't know. What do you think? Would it be something that could be catchy? I don't know. It's something I've been thinking about for a while, and I was looking for the right girl, and well, she just happened to drop in my lap. So let me know what you think. It could be a lot, and I do mean a lot of fun. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.